Clara. Hello, wonderful English learners. Welcome to the English Learning Podcast Beginner Series. I'm your host, Clara. I'm so happy you're here to learn English with me today. Today's lesson is about making connections. We will learn how to meet new people and have your very first conversation in English. This is a very important skill for everyone. You will learn to say hello, introduce yourself, ask someone's name, and talk about where you are from. We will also learn how to ask, "How are you?" and talk about what you do, like your job or if you are a student. Finally, we will learn to talk about simple things you like. Learning to speak English is a journey, and every step counts. Listen carefully, practice with me, and don't worry about mistakes. We are here to learn together. Are you ready to start connecting in English? Let's begin our first conversation. We will listen to two friends, Alex and Ben. They are meeting each other for the first time. Listen to how they greet each other and ask for names. Alex, hello. Ben, hi there. Alex, my name is Alex. What's your name? Ben, my name is Ben. It's nice to meet you, Alex. Alex, nice to meet you too, Ben. Clara, that was a very good first conversation. Alex and Ben greeted each other. They asked for names, and they shared their names. This is how you start meeting new people. Now let's practice these important words and phrases. Listen carefully to each one, and then please repeat after me. Saying the words aloud helps you remember them. First, simple ways to say hello. Hello. Hi. To introduce yourself, you can say, "My name is." Now say your own name. Say, "My name is," and then your name. My name is your name. To ask someone else's name, you ask, "What's your name?" When you meet someone new, you say this polite phrase, "Nice to meet you." And if someone says nice to meet you, you can reply with, "Nice to meet you too." Wonderful. You just practiced your first greetings and introductions. Now let's continue with Alex and Ben. They are expanding their conversation. They will ask about where they are from. Listen closely. Alex, Ben, where are you from? Ben, I am from Canada. And you, Alex? Where are you from? Alex, I am from the United States. Ben, oh, interesting. Canada and the United States are neighbors. Alex, yes, they are. It's good to meet someone from another country. Clara, Alex and Ben talked about their countries. They asked, "Where are you from?" This is a very common question when you meet someone new. Let's practice this. Listen and repeat. Where are you from? And to answer, you say, "I am from your country." Let's try it with some example countries. Repeat after me. I am from Canada. I am from the United States. I am from Brazil. I am from Japan. I am from India. I am from Mexico. I am from Spain. Very good. You are doing well. Remember to use "I am from" and then say your country. Next, Alex and Ben will ask, "How are you?" and talk about their jobs or studies. Listen carefully to their conversation. Alex, hi Ben, how are you today? Ben, I am good, thank you, Alex. How are you? Alex, I am fine, thanks. Are you a student? Ben, yes, I am a student. I study English. Are you a student? Alex, no, I am not a student. I work. I am a teacher. Ben, a teacher? That's great. Where do you teach? Alex, I teach at a school. What about you? Where do you study? Ben, I study at the local university. It's a very good university. Clara, this conversation had new phrases. They asked, "How are you?" and talked about work and studies. Let's practice these. First, asking about someone's well-being. How are you? Common answers to "How are you?" I am good, thank you. I am fine, thanks. I am great. I am busy. If you have a lot to do, you can also ask about someone's job or if they are a student. Are you a student? Possible answers. Yes, I am a student. No, I am not a student. And to ask about someone's job, you can say, "What do you do?" To answer, "What do you do?" you can say, "I am a teacher. I am a doctor. I am an engineer. I am a chef. I am a writer." Or if you are a student, I am a student. And to ask where someone works or studies. Where do you work? Where do you study? Answers could be, I work at a school. I work at a hospital. I work at an office. I study at the university. I study at a college. Excellent practice. These are very useful phrases for everyday conversations. Now let's listen to Alex and Ben one more time. They will talk about what they like to do. This is a fun part of getting to know someone. Alex. Ben, do you like to read books? Ben. Yes, I like to read books. I read every evening. What about you, Alex? Do you like to read? Alex. Yes, I like to read too. I also like to cook. Do you like to cook? Ben. Sometimes. I like to cook dinner, but I don't like to cook breakfast. Alex. That's funny. I like to cook breakfast. Do you like to play sports? Ben. Yes, I like to play sports. I play basketball. Do you like basketball? Alex. No, I don't like basketball very much. But I like to watch movies. Do you like movies? Ben. Yes, I love movies. What kind of movies do you like? Alex. I like action movies. Clara. Alex and Ben talked about what they like and don't like. They also mentioned some activities like reading, cooking, playing sports, and watching movies. Let's practice these useful phrases. To ask about someone's preference, you say, do you like to, activity? Let's try with some activities. Repeat after me. Do you like to read? Do you like to cook? Do you like to play sports? Do you like to watch movies? To answer if you like something, yes, I like to activity. For example, yes, I like to read. Yes, I like to cook. If you don't like something, no, I don't like to activity. For example, no, I don't like to play sports. No, I don't like to watch movies. You can also use sometimes if it's not always true. I like to cook sometimes. And let's review some common activities. To read books, to cook dinner, to play sports, to watch movies. Great job with these new phrases. Practice section, making connections. Clara, you have learned so many new words and phrases today. Now it's time for more practice. This will help you use English with more confidence. Part 1. Key vocabulary and phrases review. Listen to each phrase, then repeat it clearly. Focus on saying it exactly like me. 1. Hello. 2. Hi. 3. My name is. 4. What's your name? 5. Nice to meet you. 6. Nice to meet you too. 7. Where are you from? 8. I am from country. 9. How are you? 10. I am good, thank you. 11. I am fine, thanks. 12. Are you a student? 13. Yes, I am a student. 14. No, I am not a student. 15. What do you do? 16. I am a teacher. 17. I am a doctor. 18. I am an engineer. 19. Where do you work? 20. Where do you study? 21. Do you like to read? 22. Yes, I like to read. 23. No, I don't like to read. 24. To cook. 25. To play sports. 26. To watch movies. Clara. Excellent repetition. Now let's put these into sentences. Part 2. Listen and repeat sentences. Listen to the full sentence, then repeat it. Repeat each sentence 2 times after me. 1. Hello, my name is Clara. Hello, my name is Clara. 2. What's your name? What's your name? 3. Nice to meet you, Alex. Nice to meet you, Alex. 4. I am from Canada. I am from Canada. 5. Where are you from? Where are you from? 6. How are you today? How are you today? 7. I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. 8. Are you a student? Are you a student? 9. Yes, I am a student. I study English. Yes, I am a student. I study English. 10. I am not a student. I work. I am not a student. I work. 11. What do you do? I am a teacher. What do you do? I am a teacher. 12. Where do you work? Where do you work? 13. I work at a school. I work at a school. 14. Do you like to cook? Do you like to cook? 15. Yes, I like to cook sometimes. Yes, I like to cook sometimes. 16. No, I don't like to play sports. No, I don't like to play sports. 17. I like to watch movies. I like to watch movies. Clara. Fantastic job repeating sentences. You are getting better with every practice. Part 3. Simple question and answer. Clara. Now I will ask you questions in English. You say your answer in English. Remember to use the phrases you learned. Take your time. 1. Clara. Hello. What's your name? Your turn to answer. My name is. 2. Clara. Nice to meet you. Your turn to answer. Nice to meet you too. 3. Clara. Where are you from? Your turn to answer. I am from your country. 4. Clara. How are you today? Your turn to answer. I am good/fine/great, thank you. 5. Clara. Are you a student? Your turn to answer. Yes, I am a student. Or no, I am not a student. 6. Clara. What do you do? Your turn to answer. I am a student. Or I am at your job. 7. Clara. Do you like to read? Your turn to answer. Yes, I like to read. Or no, I don't like to read. 8. Clara. Do you like to cook? Your turn to answer. Yes, I like to cook. Or no, I don't like to cook. Clara. Excellent. You are starting to have real conversations. Part 4. Mini conversations role play. Clara. Let's practice short conversations. I will be one person, and you be the other. Listen to my part, then say your part. Scenario 1. Meeting a new person. Clara. Person A. Hello. My name is Clara. What's your name? Your turn. Person B. Respond with your name and greeting. Clara. Person A. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Your turn. Person B. Respond with nice to meet you too. And your country. Clara. Let's switch roles. Now you are person A. I am person B. Your turn. Person A. Start the conversation. Clara. Person B. My name is Ben. Nice to meet you. Your turn. Person A. Respond and ask, where are you from? Clara. Person B. I am from Canada. Scenario 2. Talking about daily life. Clara. Person A. Hi. How are you today? Your turn. Person B. Respond with how you are. Clara. Person A. Are you a student? Your turn. Person B. Respond yes or no. Clara. Person A. What do you do? Your turn. Person B. Respond with your job or if you are a student. Clara. Let's switch. Now you are person A. I am person B. Your turn. Person A. Ask how are you? Clara. Person B. I am good, thank you. Your turn. Person A. Ask do you work? Clara. Person B. Yes, I work. I am a writer. Your turn. Person A. Ask where do you work? Clara. Person B. I work at home. Scenario 3. Discussing likes. Clara. Person A. Do you like to watch movies? Your turn. Person B. Respond if you like movies or not. Clara. Person A. Do you like to play sports? Your turn. Person B. Respond if you like sports or not. Clara. Let's switch. Now you are person A. I am person B. Your turn. Person A. Ask do you like to read? Clara. Person B. Yes, I like to read books. Your turn. Person A. Ask do you like to cook? Clara. Person B. No, I don't like to cook. Clara. You are doing such an amazing job with these conversations. This is how you build real fluency. Part 5. Challenge yourself. Integrated practice. Clara. For our final practice, let's try a slightly longer mini conversation. Imagine you are meeting someone new at a casual event. Try to use everything you learned today. I will start. Clara. Hello. My name is Clara. It's nice to meet you. Your turn. Introduce yourself. Ask Clara's name or where she's from. Clara. Nice to meet you too. I'm from a sunny country. How are you today? Your turn. Answer how you are. Maybe ask, are you a student? Or what do you do? Clara. I'm fine, thanks. I am not a student. I work as a podcast host. Do you like to listen to podcasts? Your turn. Answer about podcasts. Maybe ask about her hobbies or what she does in the evenings. Clara, yes, I love podcasts. I also like to read in the evenings. And I like to cook on the weekends. Clara, wow. You just had a longer conversation. Give yourself a big congratulations. You used greetings, introductions, talked about origins, jobs, and likes. That's a huge step in English. Clara, you've reached the end of today's lesson, and you did wonderfully. You learned so much about making connections in English. Today we covered greetings, hello, hi, goodbye. Introductions. My name is, what's your name? Nice to meet you. Origin. Where are you from? I am from. Well-being. How are you? I am good / fine / great / busy. Occupations. Are you a student? What do you do? I am a likes and dislikes. Do you like? Yes, I like. No, I don't like. And many common activities like reading, cooking, playing sports, and watching movies. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you will become. Try to use these phrases every day. Think in English. Speak in English, even to yourself. You are doing great on your English journey. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep boosting your English confidence. Join us next time for another exciting lesson in the Beginner English series. Until then, goodbye for now. See you next time.